Ulit. Winners.
Ang pangit mga doktor yung atin.
Guys, sino sa inyo mabuti na kanino? Picture po!
May mamaya, picture muna.
Pogi.
Okay, miss. Same naman to. Dalawang iron deficiency. Galing.
Denmark, she's being sarcastic.
Oh, ito yung iron overload. Diba? Galing. Ito lang pala, hindi ka na magkasama. Alchemist.
Wow.
Mineral ba yung price? Lagyan mo pa ng ganito mo.
Ah. Sige, Pogi.
Mayroon ka pinta sa victim mo.
Kay, nagpintas Kay, actually. It is one of the yung gawa ko like Leonardo da Vinci, Raphael, Michelangelo, Donatello, ganun. Yun yung mga gawa ko. Diba, Denmark? My works are like handles.
Sino yung kamote?
Handles,
Kanina pa yung
Handels Hallelujah. Mozart's, hindi ko alam ang kata ni Mozart. Say hi. So we'll love it here. While you walk with me through these stairs, and we'll see the 7 wonders of the world. I don't know what that is, but there's the Leaning Tower, the Eiffel Tower, the Colosseum, ganda dito, seryoso, the playground. pinakagandahan mo dito. Nandun yung Golden Gate Bridge. Makikita rin natin dito is the Great Wall of China. As you can see, mahirap lang kasi tignan dito na part. Kaya makikita mo yung Great Wall of China nandun, oh. Makikita kang bricks. Oh, yan. Yan yung Great Wall. Hindi kasi ako makababa dito. Here we have it here. Ang ganda kasi. Grabe. Rachel! Rachel!